Hello everyone and welcome back to Get Over Life TV. In our fast-paced world, many of us feel lost. We feel overwhelmed. We struggle with stress, anxiety, and even depression. We often look for answers in medicine or therapy, which are very helpful. But what if ancient wisdom also holds the key to peace? Today, we are going to explore how Yoruba spirituality offers practical solutions for these modern problems. We will connect ancient beliefs to our modern mental health. One of the biggest sources of anxiety is feeling lost. We don't know our purpose. We don't know what decisions to make. We feel like we are floating without direction. Yoruba spirituality says the solution is in your Ori, your spiritual head. Your Ori is your personal guide. It holds your destiny. When you feel lost, it's a sign that you have stopped listening to your Ori. The Yoruba believe that we'll have a path we choose before birth. The anxiety of feeling lost is a gentle nudge to get back on that path. The solution is to connect. Take time to be still. Listen to your intuition. Ask yourself, what feels right? When a decision brings you peace, it is your Ori speaking. Modern life is full of chaos. We are pulled in 100 different directions. This leads to feeling overwhelmed. Yoruba wisdom teaches us that this external chaos often comes from internal chaos. The solution is Ìwà Pẹ, which is your good character. Living with good character brings order to your life. When you are honest, you don't have to remember lies. When you are kind, you don't create enemies. When you are respectful, you build a strong community around you. A life of good character is a life with less stress. It is a life that is clean and organized, both inside and outside. It is the peace that comes from knowing you are doing the right thing. In today's world, we can be surrounded by people but still feel alone. This feeling of isolation is a major cause of depression. Yoruba culture is built on community. Your well-being is connected to the well-being of the group. The saying is, ìgbé ayé tí ò ní ènìyàn kò ṣeé ṣe, which means life without people is impossible. Yoruba spirituality tells us that we are not meant to walk our path alone. We need our family, friends, and spiritual community. We also need our ancestors. They are part of our community. To fight isolation, build your spiritual family. Talk to elders. Connect with people who share your values. Remember that you are a part of a larger story. You are never truly alone. Stress, anxiety, and depression are real challenges. But Yoruba spirituality gives us powerful tools to face them. When you feel lost, reconnect with your Ori. When you feel overwhelmed, practice Ìwà Pẹ. When you feel isolated, lean on your community. These are not just beliefs. They are a way of life. They are a way to find peace in a chaotic world. They are a way to get a better life. Thank you for joining me today. Please like this video, subscribe to Get a Better Life TV, and share this message with a friend who might need to hear it. Until next time, Find your peace. Ashe. Bye for now.